You know, you have to understand that we in government, we have to, what we implement to everybody.
Yes, Mayor.
Okay? Ngayon, kung kayo mismo, kayo yung nagpapalusot, that is your fault. Hindi naman kami nagpapalusot eh. Kayo mga operator, nagpapalusot. Wala kayong DR. Dadaan kayo sa iba-ibang kalsada. Lulusot-lusot, magnanakaw. That is not our fault. So kung mahuli kayo, that is your fault. We are just implementing the law. The EO is the power of the mayor to do that. Ako ba nagpalusot?
Dili, Mayor.
Am I trying to be selective to all of you? No. Kasi konti lang yung tao namin eh. The police can only do so much. There's a COVID-19 that we have to attend to. So kung sino yung mahuli namin along the way, pasensyahan tayo. Do not blame us. Wala kayong permit. You know, you cannot export minerals. It's very clear. How many years have you been doing this? And then you're blaming us when we are implementing the right way. So you're saying na pinipili lang namin. Kung alam mo na pinipili lang namin, tell me now sino yung nagpapalusot. Because you know. Pag
Lahat nila
may
naman ang
nahuli,
mo, Mayor.
binibigyan ng penalty. How many death threats did some of you guys give to Mr. Dumalan? That's the reason he resigned. And as mayor, I have to protect my own people. If you will give death threats, I will tell the police, ito yung nagbigay ng death threats, ipapahuli ko kayo. Do not scare our people because we are doing our jobs. I was voted by the people to protect them. Pwede naman tayo magmatigasan eh. May next elections, you don't have to vote for me. Well, most of you did not support me last election, so what? I never asked a single centavo from you guys. Humingi ako ng pera sa inyo? Did I ask a single peso from you guys? I inspected the river how many times? You presented the river here. Pinakita niyo yung mga buho ninyo? So whose fault is it? Is it my fault? Look at the mirror. Tignan niyo yung sarili ninyo. Meron ba akong violation as a permittee, as an operator? Kung wala kang violation, barog. Pero kung meron kang violation, that's why we are here because we have to straighten things out. Let's talk of a plan. What do? Let's rehab. But if there's a law, we have all to follow it. We have a presentation. River lang yung pinakita natin. But on the side, pag tinignan mo mga buho, it's bigger pa than this building. Kaya bawa ninyo na ang requirement is only 1 meter ang depth. Ang sa inyo, more than 9 meters na. Kaya magpalusot eh, kasi nga konti lang yung enforcement. Pag masakpan, magalit pa mo sa amo. That's not fair. I mean, how many years have you been doing this? We are here in government. Our job is, number one, to protect the environment. But if we will continue this destruction, what will happen? What will be left to us? What will be left to the business that you have? We are protecting the environment. In a way, we are also protecting your business in the long run. Okay, kasi pag nasira tong river na to, buti nga EO lang eh. Because the EO, I can always lift it tomorrow. But if the national government will tell us, stop all operations in Panilahan River, o sa buhaton na to, we will be left with nothing. Labi na yung mga operator, you will be left without anything. Ang mga utang sa bangko, dili mabayaran. Nga naman, kikipasaratan man sa national. If Secretary Semato will see this, I will tell you, right there and then, sabihin nun, stop. Gina Lopez almost did that. She wanted to visit this kasi ang dami nagreklamo sa Facebook. It's a good thing she did not come here. Otherwise, baka by up to now, sarado pa yun. That's why we are here. Let's work. Let's work together. Let's come up with a good plan. Let's come up with a good rehab plan. Come up with a good embankment. Ayusin natin because the time will come, we will no longer allow trucks to pass through the cemented roads. Diyan sa kung saan kayo nag-ooperate. Because the passes, the permits that you pay, will not even suffice sa pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada ng mga semento. It is very costly to build new roads every 3-4 years. The government cannot afford. And then if there are ordinances that are being created, we suggest you join the public hearing all the time. Kasi pag may public hearing, tas kung sino lang yung papadala ninyo, number one, who cannot decide on your businesses, who cannot speak on your behalf, your representative will just sit down and listen. Pag natapos yung ordinances na ginagawa nila dito, then that's the time na magre-reklamo lang tayo. Ang hirap mag-repeal ng ordinance. That's why it's very important that all of us, we work together. We really have to work together. All of us here are friends, living in one community. And there is really a need to live amicably, obligingly, and peacefully. I've been talking to D.E. Lino of the DPWH. I'm coming up with a government-to-government supply. Right now, the EO says you cannot bring out any minerals, any sand and gravel materials out of Ormoc City. But I understand the need of other municipalities because of the Build project. Actually, I already have the document there waiting for me to sign it. But how many of you here have a working permit? How many? Sino yung may crusher dito na who can supply sand and gravel? I've been telling them, sabi ko, checkin nyo sino. Para once I sign this, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. And we are also working on safeguards para mabantayan din namin na ma-protect natin yung integrity ng city. I'm very business friendly. But huwag nyo naman lokohin yung gobyerno. Huwag nyo naman iniisahan. Huwag na kayo magpalusot. Because this is what's going to happen. Mahuli, magpalusot, sumobra yung pagkuha ng minerals, it will end up to stopping everything. And we do not want that. Yours is a very expensive business in terms of buying equipment. I understand that. Your equipment is so expensive. And it requires most of you to loan from the bank. And if there's no operation coming along, there's nothing to pay. There's no money to be paid. I mean, you will not have money to pay your loan. And that's difficult. I understand you well. But please, magtulungan talaga tayo. That's why the Association of the Sand and Gravel Operators, you have to really talk about it. Pag-usapan nyo talaga ng mabuti. Let's work together. Let's help our business. Let's help our city. Do not destroy the environment. Then go lahat yan. I have to stop the exportation because yun talaga yung nakaubos ng minerals natin. Yun talaga yung nakaguba sa atong sapa. 3 barges a day, mugawas. 12 barges a week, mugawas. Padong Sibutanan. We have one of the best sand and gravel materials in the whole region. Do not waste it. Sayang talaga. This for all of us. So kailangan magtinabangay kita. There's no other way. There's no other way to go. But we have to help each other. You help us, we will help you. Kaya natin to. Kaya natin, believe me.